evidence, considering the nature of allegation, my lord, not just before a criminal case is filed against the mother, saying that she has deceived him and had a child through someone else.
My lord, the allegations are against
Sorry,
the mother in the adultery.
My lord, I don't understand this kind of interruption every minute in every court. Page 34, my lord, allegation. Very serious allegations are made. Therefore, the mother is apprehensive.
What we do is,
Yes.
let her even. If she,
Yes,
Mr.
So, Lord, the allegation is that the father has challenged the son's paternity. Therefore, the mother is not comfortable sending the son alone to him. The child, the mother.
but the child is okay to spend time alone with the father. He has even spent an hour alone when the minor daughter was dropped to a class during
Page
the
34,
visitation in the last 5 days.
Page 34 of the writ petition.
The minor son was alone with the father. He has spent time. He expresses no reservation with respect to spending time with the father. This has only been done by the petitioner.
And all is a difficulty for the court.
Yes. He runs a company, family-owned company, where only his father and he are directors. Turnover is 100 crores per annum. Not they export silk all over the world. Not he's a marathon runner. He goes to New Zealand, Germany, Canada, UK to run marathons.
Your ladyship, I am for the respondent in the matter.
This matter had come up last week. The lordship permitted the father to have access to the children every day. But he's been exercising the access. The only thing, my lord, is on the last occasion, my learned friend submitted that he's not in a position to pay the school fee. Only 1,75,000 rupees he can pay for now. The lordship directed 2.5 lakhs to be paid. Not the arrears of school fee is 17 lakhs, but he has not paid. Until the day we separated, my lord, the petitioner, the respondent, he has paid every single school fee, my lord. He has an export business.
The amount of rupees 1,75,000 shall be paid by the father.
That he has deposited.
Your ladyship, that has been paid. That has been paid.
What transfers in the, what happened to the
But visitation is going on well. The only difficulty is this daughter has school going on 9th standard, my lord. Her exams are coming up.
Your ladyship, may I submit?
1 minute, you wait. You're for the respondent?
For the respondent.
Yes.
Your ladyship, I have availed the visitation for the 5 days. However, on the 26th and 27th, the visitation had to be rescheduled on the request of the respondent. For 25th and 26th, for those 3 hours, I have availed visitation. The visitation had to be compensated for 6 hours. 3 hours have already been availed by me on Sunday. 3 hours are to be availed by me today for the compensatory.
In these kind of matters, are you not supposed to come to the court? Already it is very difficult to hear these matters and you appear through online. Your client is here.
Your ladyship, the local counsel is also present in the court. I am based in Delhi, hence I am appearing on virtually. The matter was kept for compliance. Hence I am appearing virtually. I'll be there in court for the next hearing.
Yes. What about the remaining amount?
Your ladyship, the remaining amount will be paid by us in the as directed by this honorable court. 1,75,000 is already paid. The remaining amount out of 2.5 is left that we will pay as this honorable court directs. The arrangement for summer vacation also has to be considered and made by this honorable court as per the last order of 22nd April.
What was the school fees of your children while all of you were together?
For my ladyship, the son is on a 100% scholarship. Not even a penny has been paid by me. And this information she has hidden in all the payments. Be it her school activities or sport activities. He's on a 100% scholarship where nothing has been paid. So the declaration that I have paid and that his
It's okay, leave it that. Then what about the daughter? How much you used to pay for her?
For daughter, I've already paid.
Not now. While you were together, what was the school fees?
Together, whatever I could save and whatever was possible. So it's not that I was going out of my way to make payments to her every month.
What was the fees that time?
I'll have to check now.
I have the memo.
Take that.
Even the son's school fee also was being paid by the father, my lord. Page number 15 onwards are the receipts for the son's school fee that the father has paid. Where he says he's not paying in page 15. Lord, name is Ekalavya. 1,80,000 rupees. He has full waiver of the tuition fee because he plays football for the school, but other fees to be paid. Not transportation fee, meal plan fee.
For the son, it is 1,80,500.
Yes, but for the year 2017-18, academic year 18-19, sorry, 6 lakhs is the daughter's fee, not per annum. Both are in international schools. They've been in international.
What is the mother doing?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. She's been a housewife. They come from a.
Your ladyship, she is also employed at KPMG. As per her own affidavit of assets and liabilities.
That was for about 6 months. I've also placed a salary certificate, 23,000 rupees per month she was receiving on contract.
And what is your income?
At the moment, I'm not even earning much.
You're not earning. What you used to earn earlier?
I was running a business. So what she did, the acts that led to this, destroyed me totally.
What was I asked you, what was your income?
I was running a business.
What was your income?
Approximately 3 to 4 lakhs a year.
3 to 4 lakhs a year. With 3 to 4 lakhs a year, you're paying this school fees to the children.
Yes, I was
3 lakhs to the daughter, 1,80,500 to the son. So around 5 lakhs per month, per annum you're paying only towards school fees.
Yes, I had taken a loan, and that loan is very much visible in my assets and liabilities are available.
Mr. Gondra, as far as we let this visitation continue with the father paying the remaining amount of 2.5. How much is the remaining amount?
My lord, he runs a family business, Apsara Silks, which exports, my lord, to the tune of more than.
The relevant documents are on record before.
I don't know why my learned friend wants to interrupt me when I'm making submissions.
This is the difficulty of appearing online, and this is the problem the court is facing. The counsels who are appearing online, like if they understand how it has to be, then it's fine. Otherwise, like all these overlapping and all is a difficulty for the court.
Yes. He runs a company, family-owned company, where only his father and he are directors. Turnover is 100 crores per annum. Not they export silk all over the world. Not he is a marathon runner. He goes to New Zealand, Germany, Canada, UK to run marathons. Even as of today. Even today, my lord. And undertaking given by him before the family court, I brought your lordship's, drew your lordship's attention to the undertaking given by him, that he will not only pay the educational expenses going forward, but will also reimburse all the educational expenses the mother has borne for the last 3 years. That's recorded in the order sheet. He has signed the order sheet. His counsel comes before the court and says, "Give me 2 weeks' time. I will make sure the payment is made." Therefore, before the family court.
Now that what we'll do is,
yes,
we'll make this interim arrangement of whatever amount he is going to pay. Either how much, 1,75,000 or 1,75,000 remaining amount.
Well, your lordship said directed him to pay 2.5 lakhs. 175 is deposited.
So what we do is we'll ask him to deposit the other amount, and during the summer we'll give him some visitation, and we'll also direct the trial court to dispose of your maintenance application within a month after the court reopens. How the vacation shall go?
Lord, since daughter is in ninth standard now, and it's a crucial year for her for exams. This everyday visitation is hampering her preparation for exams.
First we'll talk, then the son is free.
The son is free.
And
the son plays football, my lord, on a day. He's getting scholarship from the school because he plays football. He's a very talented football player.
Father will accompany him when he's going.
He plays for 90 minutes a day, my lords. From 6 a.m. to 7:30, he plays for 90 minutes in a day, and this excuses
the allegation
that he plays football, so he is busy. This is not expressed by the children.
Yes, Mr.
So, Lord, the allegation is that the father has challenged the son's paternity. Therefore, the mother is not comfortable sending the son alone to him. The mother.
But the child is okay to spend time alone with the father. He has even spent an hour alone when the minor daughter was dropped to a class during
Page 34,
the visitation in the last 5 days.
Page 34 of the repetition.
The minor son was alone with the father. He has spent time. He expresses no reservation with respect to spending time with the father. This has only been done by the petitioner.
Even according to you, there was nothing wrong with the visitation.
The children together have a good time with the father. I'm not even saying that they're not having a good time. What we are concerned about is because the daughter is 15 years old, she's quite mature. When she's around, my lord, the mother has some confidence. Considering the nature of allegation, my lord, not just before a criminal case is filed against the mother, saying that she has deceived him and had a child through someone else.
My lord, the allegations are against the mother in the adult.
My lord, I don't understand this kind of interruption every minute in every court. Page 34, my lord, allegation. Very serious allegations are made. Therefore, the mother is apprehensive.
What we do is,
yes,
let her, even if she is having exams and she's busy also, once in a week.
Yes, absolutely.
It can be done.
Absolutely.
So the weekends, both the children, between what time to what?
Lord, if he is willing to take the son for his classes, then he can 10 to 7, Lord, both days.
10 to
7, Saturday and Sunday. No objection.
My lords, may overnight be considered during the summer vacation.
They have not even challenged the order, my lord.
Yes, 10 to 7. Petition for interim maintenance is considered in the MC. The father is at liberty, father/mother is at liberty to seek modification of the order passed by the family court. That is the impugned order passed by the family court.
Your Ladyship, may I just submit? May I just make one submission, Your Ladyship?
Yes.
In the MC case for the interim maintenance, one of my applications, IA number 4, under order 11, rule 14, is also pending. May that also be decided within that 1 month, as
That is their writ petition, not your writ petition. Yes.